How to purchase a perfect office coffee machine. Plan A: low efficiency, endless queue. Plan B: bulky size, space warning, out of budget. Kalerm D series, small invest, giant reward. Energy saver, eco mode. 7-inch large screen, smart simplicity all at one touch. Say goodbye to frequent refilling. Just relax and enjoy. Robust water system, stable runtime, minimal downtime. 25 cups non-stop, no breaks, just brews. Built-in milk cleaning system, instant clean at one touch. Kalerm D series, beyond the classic, smart and green.